Hello and welcome to another HELiOS short clip. This time it's about HELiOS version 2024 Service Pack 1, also known as HELiOS version 2901. The short video will focus on the improved and extended mask display in the HELiOS Internet Server, and we will also take a look at the integration of the object detail dialogues in the individual searches. So let's start with the new design of the masks in the HELiOS Internet Server. As you can see, it is clear that we have now also used a web-based design in the Internet Server that is very similar to the HELiOS desktop mask display. This means that if you already know the masks from the HELiOS desktop, you can actually recognize them one-to-one in the HELiOS Internet Server. We have also created the option of simple date selection. This means that if you click on these date fields here, you now also get this date selection dialog with all the functionalities that the desktop also offers, just like in HELiOS Desktop. And we have also made it possible to support the unit categories, which means that this integrated unit display in these data fields of the mask now also works. Furthermore, the masks have now been adapted in the area of responsiveness so that if the space becomes too tight, for example on a mobile phone or similar device, the mask text disappears. Then the display takes place accordingly in the individual fields of the same width. This means that these texts in front of the fields then slide up when you enter something in the search. I can do that here, and the order of the individual fields is the same as you were used to in the HELiOS Internet Server. With this display, we want to make it possible to use the search function on very small screens, such as mobile phones. If you search here, for example, you will also get the corresponding result lists here. Now we come to the second point. The integrated object detail dialogues in the search. So if I select a result here, I still have the option within the article search here, as in the desktop, of jumping back and forth between the search conditions. These were my search conditions here. And the corresponding details of the selected result, in this case this article slip-on gear mechanism, so I can then also look at the targets directly in the search. Or perhaps the associated projects or similar. The behavior of the HELiOS Internet Server is now even more similar to that of the HELiOS Desktop, so that the user behavior is actually becoming more and more similar to that of the HELiOS Desktop. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.